Meet Timmy and Tommy, two adventurous boys who find themselves lost in a dense, mysterious jungle. As they explore, they hear a mighty roar echoing through the trees. Suddenly, a magnificent lion appears before them. His name is Leo, the king of the jungle. Leo, though powerful, is gentle and protective. He befriends the boys, guiding them through the jungle. Together, they have exciting adventures, swinging from vines, exploring hidden caves, and discovering colorful creatures. Timmy and Tommy learn valuable lessons about friendship, trust, and the importance of understanding one another. With Leo's guidance, the boys find their way out of the jungle and back to their village. As they bid farewell to Leo, tears well up in their eyes. But they know they will always carry the memory of their incredible adventure. And so, Timmy and Tommy return home, forever cherishing the friendship they found in the heart of the jungle. Thank you for joining us on this amazing journey of friendship and discovery. Until next time, remember, true friends can be found in the most unexpected places.